So we created world's first offshore CO2 carrier, and that's really something. It's fantastic having Carbon Destroyer arriving here in Esberg. It's really a defining moment for Europe. We are moving from an ambition project in PowerPoints to reality. We have a very visible and physical proof that CCS is actually happening.
What it means to us is the longevity of the activities in the oil and gas industry. So this port has been serving the oil and gas industry for over 50 years. Carbon capture and storage offshore will take us in many centuries ahead. So that had a big impact on the port.
Back in 2017, INEOS started to look into how to reuse our oil and gas fields in a new way, in a new green way for storage of CO2. But we were lacking something, that was the means of transportation. But luckily we teamed up with Wachenborg and we made together Carbon Destroyer 1.
There's a lot of interest and it's coming more and more the interest because once you scale up these projects, then it will be a competitive advantage for the industry. We believe in the future it's going to be less cost to send your CO2 for storage than trading on the emission trading system. So this is the relief the hard bait sectors could get in Europe, and at the same time you get a greener Europe.
We begin to prepare the installation of containers, the switchboard room, control room, two high pressure pumps and the heater and the heat exchanger. So this is all installed here on the deck. So in the next couple of months it will be installed.
So we'll show you now the rest of the equipment. So let's come and go. This will be our boiler to heat up the cargo before we can send it to the compressors. This big piece is the CCR, the cargo control room, which they will control all the cargo equipment when we're out on the field and also when we are loading in port. So these two containers containing the pumps that we're going to be using for discharging the cargo into the APL unit. So when we're in the field, we will discharge the cargo through the APL unit into the pipeline. So in the next few months, this entire space will be also filled with piping that will be connecting all the units together before we can pump it into the depleted oil fields.
The important thing is that we now have an infrastructure almost ready. We have a CO2 terminal almost ready. We have Carbon Destroyer 1 almost ready. And we have a storage facility almost ready. So we are nearly there, ready to receive CO2 in the beginning from Danish emitters, but hopefully soon from European emitters all around Europe.